Hey guys, it's your girl Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. I am here with ways to make money selling in 2024. I decided that a few years ago, this was a very successful series that I did on my channel. And this time, I just want to do it a little bit different. I hope you guys are ready for some excitement this December. Do know that there are lots of different print on demand companies. I will only mention the ones that I personally use and have purchased from, that my recommendations are authentic. And you guys know I keep it 100. These videos are more for people who have basic knowledge of print on demand and how AI works. I'm going to use Canva in a few of these designs. You can use Canva as well, or you can pay for designs. It's really up to you, but this may not be beginner friendly. And I know there are thousands of ways to do something. This is just my way, so it is not up for debate. But as always, let's get into the video because I never want to hold you too long. Print on demand, we all have our ways of how we develop things. Here is my print on demand framework. I go from idea, which is simple. This is just a thought I had. It's an idea. I do a little bit of research. I decide on what platform I'm going to use. I decide on the product or products, and then finally my designs. For this ways to make money selling in 2024, I did decide to ask ChatGTP to give me 30 ways to make money selling print on demand products in 2024. Let's jump into idea number one. The idea for this one is to develop a line of custom printed home decor items such as pillows, wall art, and rugs, etc. That is the idea that we're going to develop. We're going to use my handy dandy friend called Google to do our research today. I did a really quick Google search and I basically said, what is the hottest decor trend for 2024? And basically it said, watch for vintage pieces. And then it gave me a color, burnt orange. I said, fine. Who knows how true it is? But why not just try it? We're going to go ahead and try to develop a burnt orange type vintage design. Here we are with the platform that we are deciding to use. I am going to use Guten for this. We'll go over to the Guten website. And on their website, they have a large catalog of different products. Go to the home section. And I decided that today we're going to create a duvet cover. Pretty simple. It comes in like full, queen, king sizes. And I think this is a pretty simple design. It can be an all over design, one print, one color with a print on it, however you decide to develop that. I went over to Leonardo.ai. They gave me access. Thank you guys for reaching out. I decided I was going to go ahead and create a prompt. The prompt I used was really simple: burnt orange, abstract, vintage, all over print design. And this is what I got: a super cute, simple design. If you scroll in, zoom in, you could probably see the actual prompt that I used. And here is the output of the design that I got. And I think that is very vintage, just the way the flowers, the swirls, definitely looks like something back in the day that grandma might have had, even on a couch. I think it really gave me that vintage feel and it meshed the colors really well. Now let's see what it looks like on the duvet cover. And this is what we get. This is our design from our idea that we got from ChatGTP. We develop our design through Leonardo.ai. And this is what we got. I think it's very cute. This is actually something that I would probably put on my bed. It's giving fall. It's giving a fresh start. It's giving vibrant. If I wanted to make over my room, this is exactly the type of statement piece that could start the whole thing. This is the final look of our idea. And we went through the framework and this is what we developed. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to come back every day in December for more ways to make money selling in 2024. I hope this was easy for you to understand. This is not a tutorial. This is just showing you 30 ways that you can make money in 2024. Make sure you guys come back all December. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.